How to hide mutual friends on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can hide mutual friends on Facebook. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and then hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. The first thing that you'll need to do to hide your mutual friends on Facebook is open up your Facebook app. Locate your Facebook and then open it up. After you do that, what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to your privacy settings. To do that, head over to your settings and privacy. Tap on the three lines on the top right here, right below your Messenger app icon, where you'll see your profile icon. Then you'll be on your menu. After you're here, tap on the gear icon right beside menu on the top right. After you do that, you should be on your settings and privacy. After you're here, you will need to then head over to how people find and contact you section. So you can scroll down from here and there you'll see audience and visibility section where you'll find how people can find and contact you. So head over there. And after you do that, right here you should see different options, and there you will see who can see your friends list. You will need to head over there. After you do that, you will need to set this to only me. Doing this, your friend list, including your mutual friends, will be hidden on your Facebook. Now tap on the save button at the bottom, and you're good to go. And that's how you hide mutual friends on Facebook. Thanks for watching guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.